loving it. I'm loving it. Hi friends, once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yas. Today I'm going to make makhani. This is makhani. Have you seen this before? They look like popcorn, right? But these are fox nuts or lotus seeds. This is much more healthier than popcorn. Fox nuts are very high in protein. In Hindi, we call it makhana. You can make so many dishes with makhana. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and healthy nutritious snack. We need some popcorn seasoning like cheese powder. I have some cheese powder, some tomato powder and some chili powder. This is cheese powder and tomato powder. I am using these two seasonings to make my makhana. These are taste makers. I am going to season my makhana with these, just how we season popcorn. You can get it from any departmental store, but I got it from Amazon Pantry. Of course, we need some butter. If you see, these are very soft. So, we need to make them crunchy, for which we have to fry them. The pan is hot. Now I am going to add my makhana in them. I am going to fry it till it's crispy and crunchy. We need to dry fry it. We have to keep frying it, otherwise the makhana will turn brown and it will get burnt. I am going to switch it off. It will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes. How will you know the makhanas are fried? When you crush it with your fingers, it will be very crumbly. Can you see that? Friends, when you crush it with your fingers, it will be very crumbly. It's as simple as that. Now let's start seasoning the makhanas. Now I am adding butter. Unsalted butter because the cheese powder and tomato powder have salt. This is unsalted butter. Quickly, let me add the other seasonings. Here I am adding cheese powder. Tomato powder. Chili powder. Chili powder is optional. Let me stir it. Be very careful because makhanas can be burnt very easily. Please keep the flame medium while frying. You need to keep stirring them. Friends, did you notice something? I did not add salt because the seasonings I added already have salt. Let me try this. That's it, it's ready. We'll add some chaat masala. We'll give that a... Friends, you can go as creative as you want with seasoning. You can add any seasoning you want. As simple as salt, pepper and butter. You can even add chaat masala. What a great idea. 1 minute. You can always taste your makhana, and if you think you need salt, you can always add salt. I'm adding chaat masala. I'm just getting some idea. I'm thinking you can make makhana with Maggi masala. The masala taste maker which you get inside Maggi packets. I really want to try that. If you happen to try, please let me know how did you like. That would be Maggi Makhana. Friends, you saw how fun cooking is? Let me taste. It's so crunchy. Friends, honestly, this is so much better than popcorn because it's so crunchy. Make sure the seasoning is nicely coated on each and every makhana. Friends, this is such a quick snack. You can make this in less than 5 minutes. And it's so healthy and super delicious. Friends, next time I will show you the sweeter version. For now, let me enjoy my makhanas and soon I will see you with a brand new recipe. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe. Loving it. I'm loving it.
Friends, it's so nice and so lovely.